Well, you saved up enough to buy the car you needed, but no sooner than you're driving it off the lot, you start to have problems with it. The good news is we have the lemon law here in Florida to protect us. Joining me now to explain are Marc, Anidjar, and Glen Levine with the law offices of Anidjar Levine to tell us more. Gentlemen, welcome.
Good morning. Thanks for having us.
First rule about the lemon law is got to be a new car.
Correct.
Okay.
I think that's the biggest misconception. Once you purchase a used car, you're buying that car as is. Now, it still may be under the manufacturer's warranty if you buy it within that warranty window. So it allows you to go to the dealership and get the car fixed if it's still under the manufacturer's warranty. But that doesn't mean that you're subject to the lemon law. You know, it only applies to new vehicles.
Gotcha. And what does it entail? Because nobody wants to be stuck with a car that's constantly breaking down.
When you buy a new car, usually they give you that, you know, that little pamphlet that kind of has a summary of it. And basically, we all maybe have heard that you really have to have 3 times for the same problem. It has to be within the first 2 years of owning the car, and you've got to bring the car in and complain and make sure you're making a record, because certainly the last thing a car dealership wants to do is buy that bad car back from you to let you get into a new car.
And it's got to be a major mechanical defect. It can't be my power seat doesn't work. You know, it's got to be, you know, something, the transmission, electrical, engine. It's got to be a major malfunction to justify that renders the car almost incapacitated or useless to you.
And do you have to take it into the dealership service department, or do you just have to make sure that you record what has happened?
I think you should take it into the dealership and record it with them, because that's who you purchased the vehicle from, and they're subject to their licensures, which makes them a new car dealer, and probably agreements that they have in place with whatever dealership they are, whether it be a Kia, whether it be a Hyundai, whether it be a Honda, whatever it is that they are. I'm sure there's certain protocols that they need to meet within those contracts.
And you also don't want to have them pointing the finger back at the shop that you took it to and said, hey, they screwed up the car, not, you know, the car was a problem.
Exactly.
Let them own it.
For more information, you can call 800-747-FREE or go to southfloridainjurylaw.com. And remember,
Legal Playbook is sponsored by the law offices of Anidjar Levine.